To prevent UI elements from being cut off, we need to use safe area and adjust the anchor accordingly. Uh, I have two setup to manage the safe area. Uh, One is a standalone version and another is publisher and subscriber versions. So the publisher subscriber version is slightly more performant, I believe. I'm gonna show you. So for the more optimized version first, it's you'll need a base RectTransform. Okay, that is straight to anchors x and y 20101. Okay, you can do this with by clicking here and press alt and shift together and press here. So this will be expanded like this, so it will cover the whole screen. Okay, this will be the safe area provider. Okay, let's and all the safe area rect transform that needs scaling based on the mobile devices safe area available safe area. You'll need a rect transform there as well, and you'll need them their anchor set like this as well. Okay, but there you will attach safe area listener wherever you need the safe area. You just attach this safe area listener script. Okay, and I'm going to show you the scripts now. This safe area provider. Okay, so it inherits from UI behavior, and we have used event and class fields. Okay, so these are the properties that listeners can get back. Uh, and here we are at the start calculating and notifying safe area to all the listeners. Okay, so that they can adjust their anchors accordingly, and this we need to override on rect transform dimension change and run its base method first, and then we also run our own method. So what it does, whenever dimension changes of the screen, it recalculates the safe area and provides them through the event, so that subscriber can get that and adjust their anchors accordingly. Okay, so this is like the math here. The current safe area we get it, and it should, if it is equal to last safe area, then we just return, and then we just cache it for the next iteration uses. Okay, and then we get current screen width and height, and sometimes during initialization this can report 0, and that can lead to divide by 0 exception. And then here is the math behind this. Okay, so we get current minimum anchor. It's x should be designed like this. Okay, uh, depending on the available safe area. Okay, we just assigned here the current safe area, so it's actually uh, the current safe area. We can also use that. Okay, so I'm gonna just do that actually. Current safe area and current safe area. Okay, and depending on current screen width and current screen height, we get the anchors as this is explained here. And the same here, I've just used the local cast variable than using the class variable. That is just for preventing operations running unnecessarily. Okay, so this was the math on this. And let's look at the listener does require a rect transform as well as the safe area provider, and it gets its rect transform, and whenever it is enabled we apply the safe area. Okay, so already we have set the safe area 01, so it anchors like this, and we apply that. Then we subscribe to the apply safe area, and whenever the event occurs, okay, this pushes these values, and the listener uses those values as it has subscribed to that, and it adjusted the anchors. Okay, so the safe area works well, and whatever the element button and image is under the safe area RectTransform will properly be adjusted. Let's look at how it works. It's just loading. Okay, so as you can see, the coin is outside the safe area. I mean, if we were to choose another device, anyway, it's outside the safe area as this toggles shows it. Then when we are playing, let's see how it does. It's good. Then this is good. The elements that were the outside the safe area has come down. Let's look at how this changes. This does not change the first, the publisher, the provider, safe area provider RectTransform does not change its anchors, because that's for touch touch features that I'm using, and also that is not actually adjusting any UI element. Okay, so we don't need that. We can also, if we really need, we can also attach safe area listener to the same object as well, so that scales that too. uh, Here another canvas, we look at safe area. Okay, these are the elements that are adjusted, but the main important thing is you look at the safe area RectTransform, you see its anchor has been adjusted. Okay, so what it has done, it has just cut off the unsafe area from the top. Okay, so it's actually only for the safe area now, and elements are adjusted. Same for other safe area as well. Like this, you get the value. This is dynamic value. If I were to just change to this, yeah, this will adjust accordingly. You see, the value got adjusted. So this works for more optimized version that I'm using now, but there's a standalone version I'm gonna show you as well. The standalone version is just attach and forget it, and it will work fine. So this is very similar to that. At the start it applies safe area, and whenever the RectTransform changes, that also applies the safe area. So uh, another way we can also do this inside update, but that's just, I believe, unnecessary over calculation. For have tested in my games, this works just fine, and if it needs more optimization and somehow it doesn't work, then can use update loop as well with some like time limits, like it checks every 1 second or 2 seconds. So that can be done as well, but this is like more like event based. So the base script, it runs on the transform RectTransform, and with that this safe area is also adjusted. So I believe whenever mm, okay, let's look at the base script how it does. In UIBehaviour we have this. Okay, okay, so it does work, and you can just attach this with the other safe area, like I'm gonna show you. For example, just create empty. Okay, just mark it with safe area in the name. We can also, so that it's easily distinguishable, we can also give it its own which safe area is it is, but not strictly necessary. We can stretch it like this and just attach safe area standalone. Okay, it just adjusted. Okay, here um, because we are executing always, So if you don't want to execute all the time in editor, only execute at the start, then you can comment this. I think I should do this anyway. Okay. We can design as a or as of like normal screen without any notch. And at the start, if it is there is a punch hole, then it will adjust. Okay. So here we are, and we can design as we want, like this. And based on the device, it will adjust its safe area. Okay. So this actually get cut off due to the punch hole. Let's add another canvas. Okay. We got the safe area and the image, some anchoring as well. So we anchor it like this. Yeah, now it works. So this is how you do this. And now the safe area works good. I hope this video was helpful to you. Okay. This is the script, standalone script. Okay. So thank you for watching, and I hope it helps. See you next time. Bye.